Alrighty. I bought this muffler. The neighbor was complaining about it being loud, so I figured I would quieten it down. $50 something. Anyway, it had a glass pack. This is 2-inch pipe down here, 1 7/8 inches. My exhaust pipe rotted out, and it is a pressed fit into here. That 2-inch fits pretty good. I'm gonna give it a couple of whacks. It'll stick out of the hood from here to here. My muffler will slide down to that far. So this is what we're going to use. I'm not going to heat that up. I thought I was going to have to take the exhaust manifold off to get it fixed, but now this does have a crack in it and a keyway, but I'm going to give that a couple of good whacks. I've got some PB blaster I'm going to throw on it, and it has some 1/4-inch bolts. I've unbolted it. Here's one of my nuts. I don't know, I need a washer and a nut. There's a washer, lock washer to go behind it to hold it on. I'm just going to do the top two for right now. They're wallowed out. But anyway, you can see it's been sooting up. I used it 2 or 3 times digging my water line going to the barn. I got to dig down right here and connect it. But I'm 2 to 3 foot. In Alabama, you don't have to be but 5 to 10 inches. That is my water line going to the well from the city street. But anyway, we're going to do this right here. I'm probably going to dig it all the way. I need to move my sand trailer here. I got to do a drain to the septic tank right here, right behind where my water is. But I'm going to go into the basement right here with power and the water probably. And I think that's where the well water goes in. There's another line I don't want to bust, but we'll be prepared for it if we do. That way this drains for my washing machine, which goes down through the slab here. Is why I got to dig down here and fix the drain, because there's where my dryer vent washer's here. I can't get water going out of it. Rusted out through the slab, so we're just going to rerun another one all the way to the septic tank. Anyhow, I'm going to get this whacked on here. This is a Ford 3000, 3000. I got a VIN plate here, 1225 2, but no stickers. This was at the corner school, so it is a utilitarian tractor. When it's low, sits down low, straight axles, not sitting up as a co-op plow tractor. But anyway, I'm gonna get my sledge right here. I'll sit you right here. I'm gonna raise you up some. Hopefully I don't bust it or break it. I got a small piece of board here. I got my roosters out running. It ain't gonna leak now. Put the hood up here and see how close it is. it ain't too high. We're gonna call that good. Two washers I need. Well, one. Washer and a bolt. Gotta have another washer somewhere. There's a big one. Too big. So I got me another nut. That ain't too big. That's better than what was in there. Dang it. That's gonna be more difficult than I thought. the two. And that's all we're gonna get. But at least I got two washers. I know my neighbors love me, but I need to put a bolt on that. But she's gonna be quieter now. Got two more nuts. I don't know where the nut with the washer fell. I dropped another washer. There it is. So maybe we can put one in, but I don't have a small washer. I got this one. It's bigger. Back or front? Back maybe. That belt's rubbing. Yeah, anyway. Don't have another nut. So, let's crank it up and see how quiet it got. Got two bolts, but no nut. Anyway, fuel's not on. But speaker, if it's really loud, the speaker blows out, I know. But 2 inch and 7/8, and the muffler is 2 inch. So I don't know what the factory one is, but it should be the same. Oh yeah, I run out of gas. I gotta go get some gas. Oh well, I'm gonna stop it here. Appreciate y'all.